If you are upset because of some rumor you heard about yourself, well, stop it. You never want to do that. Hi, all you beautiful souls. This is Rishvika and welcome to Minding Ways. Now, before we start, I want to let you know that this is my perspective. This is how I deal with rumors. And again, perspectives can be different, opinions and ideas can be different, how we deal with certain things can be different. So let's respect each other's ideas and of course share those ideas so someone can benefit from them. Now, why I'm talking about this topic rumor in this channel, in this video, well, I've seen so many people getting upset, questioning themselves, feeling insecure because of these rumors. And again, our channel is all about healthy living, happy living. So if you know how to deal with these rumors, well, then obviously you will live a happy life. The very first thing I want to say is please stop feeling pity on yourself because of some weird thing someone else said about you. Now, you can't do anything about that rumor because obviously so many people know about it, and even if you try to justify yourself, the ones who created the rumors or who were involved in spreading that rumor won't believe you because they are there to judge you. So no matter how much you overthink, how much you try to explain them, justify yourself, they have their own perspective and they will stick by that. And now, talking about the people who really care for you, who really love you, they know who you are and they won't be bothered by these rumors. These rumors won't change the way they feel about you. If you're trying very hard to justify yourself based on some rumor, there will be another rumor waiting for you. As soon as you think that, okay, I've succeeded in justifying myself, I have succeeded in clearing out this rumor, or I have explained myself, now everyone knows who I am, there will be another rumor waiting for you. That is sad, but it is true, because everyone talks about everyone, and if everyone talks about everyone, there will be so many perspectives, there will be so many talks. Again, एक चीज का 10 होकर rumor बन जाएगा. So I don't think there is any use of justifying yourself or even paying any heed to that rumor. Even if you carry this image of a perfect girl or boy, if you think you are really perfect and you haven't done anything wrong to anyone, even then there will be so many rumors you won't even know about. So now you say, okay Rishvika, we know that we shouldn't upset ourselves, we shouldn't question ourselves based on some rumors, but what should we actually do? How should we avoid that? All you have to do is just relax. If you hear some rumor, feel surprised that really people have so much creativity. अच्छा, हमने ऐसा भी किया था, हमें पता ही नहीं था, कम से कम हमें तो बता देते कि हमने ऐसा किया था. So feel surprised about the creativity people have and how much free time they have to create stories about people. Now I will say that one thing that you might have heard so many times. कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे, लोगों का काम है कहना. They will talk so many things about you. But if you go on paying heed to every single one of that, well, you won't be able to live your life. So just relax. Don't upset yourself. Because there are already so many people doing this work for you. They are on this work to upset yourself. They are doing things, talking things that will demean you, that will lower your self-confidence. So there are already so many people. You don't have to be the member of that club. At least you yourself don't be that person who upsets you, who demeans you. If you hear some rumor, like I said, just be surprised that really people have so much creativity. और अच्छा, हमने ये भी किया था. So just feel surprised. Don't let those people, don't let those rumors who are doing you no good question yourself. Now there's this one thing I would like to say: never be the antagonist of your own life to make someone else the protagonist. Because yes, if you are agreeing with the rumor, if you are paying any heed to that rumor about yourself, if you are trying to explain yourself based on that rumor, you are making the other person the protagonist, because you are paying so much attention to that person and you are believing that person to whatever that person is saying, and you are trying to justify that. There's no use. And after doing all this, what is the end result? You are questioning yourself, you are wasting your energy. The loss is yours, so don't be the antagonist, don't be the villain of your life. So that was it for today's video. I hope I was of some help to you guys. If you like the video, you know you have to share it with all your friends and family so that they can benefit as well. If you are new to this channel, well, welcome to our YouTube family. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell icon so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Please mention in the comments how you deal with rumors. See you next time. Till then, stay blessed, stay happy.